Are you involved in the conservation of the rich architectural heritage of the Mediterranean area? Would you like to energy renovate buildings more sustainably? Are you concerned about how to finance these renovations? BIM guides you in this process by considering the technical and financial solutions that best suit your needs. Download this guide and discover the BIM methodology, an innovative methodology that has already been tested in 9 public heritage buildings located in Italy, Spain, Cyprus, Jordan, Palestine, Lebanon and Egypt. Why BIM? Buildings are responsible for 36% of global final energy consumption and nearly 40% of total direct and indirect CO2 emissions. Moreover, in the Mediterranean area, many of these buildings are heritage buildings, which makes their renovation more complex. In such a challenging situation, renovating and making Mediterranean buildings smarter is of utmost importance to reduce the carbon footprint of our homes. BIM project promotes the use of building information modeling to enhance energy efficiency in heritage buildings. As a result, BIM provides public administrations with an innovative methodology for the energy rehabilitation of public buildings to be supported with private funds through the energy performance contracting. So, the money saved by public administrations in managing public assets will be used to multiply the intervention on the existing building stock. But what is BIM? BIM methodology allows to centralize all the data of a building in a single digital model containing information on its geometry but also time, cost, environmental and maintenance information. This upgraded model allows us to know in advance the building performance under the application of energy retrofitting measures and is therefore very useful for planning the renovation of the building. And what is HBIM? Although BIM was initially designed for new construction, the processes and data related to heritage buildings can be very different from those related to new buildings. A historical building, beyond its physical and geometric characteristics, is represented by a large amount of heterogeneous information. In the heritage field, in fact, heterogeneity and accessibility of data have always been a problem for the conservation, renovation and valorization of historic buildings. Therefore, the aptitude of BIM to accumulate interrelated semantic information makes it a tool with great potential for application to existing buildings and cultural heritage. What about EPC? Energy performance contracting is a mechanism for organizing energy efficiency financing. The EPC involves an energy service company whose remuneration is dependent on the achievement of guaranteed savings. Do you want more information about the BIM methodology? Download the free guide here.